Afternoon, children. This is Savilsar speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 8.1 of the chapter comparing quantities, and we have completed the first question, that was of finding the ratio. So we are going to deal with the question number 2. The question number 2 is about in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Children, this particular question can be solved in many ways, using unitary method, using proportion method. In a very simple process, this question can be solved. So I have chosen a very easiest process to understand, process to explain rather. The process is of proportion method. Name of the process is proportion method. So the process is about, we will write in a proportion form. As we will write in left hand side, the similar things to be written in right hand side. I repeat, the thing which will be writing in left hand side, the similar format to be written in right hand side as well. Achha, the question is, how many computers will be needed for 24 students? Let the number of computers needed for 24 children, 24 students is equal to 12. Sorry, slip of tongue. That is X. Let the number of computers needed for 24 students be equal to X. So I have considered X number of computers will be required for 24 students. So according to the question, I'll write in a simplest form. Number of children is to number of computers is equal to, again, number of children is to number of computers. Why I have written in this form? This format is called proportion method, proportion form. So number of children is to number of computers. Similar pattern to be used in right hand side as well. Number of children is to number of computers. Number of children is to number of computers. Number of children is to number of computers. Same format to be written in right hand side as well. If I would have written in number of computers is to number of children, then I had to write number of students is to number of children. So as I've written in this form, it's a similar format to be written. Achha. 6 students is to 3 computers equal to number of children 24 students, number of computers I don't know, that which I've chosen X. 6 is to 3, 24 is to X. 6 children, 3 computers, 24 children, X computers. Now 6 is to 3 matlab 6 by 3 is equal to 24 is to X matlab 24 by X. Now go for a cross multiplication. 6 into X results 6x. 3 into 24 results 72. This is called cross multiplication. Numerator of the left hand side, the first fraction, will be multiplied with the numerator of another fraction, and numerator of this fraction will be multiplied with denominator of this fraction. This kind of multiplications are known as cross multiplication. So 3 into 24 is 72. 6 into X is 6x. 6 into X, 6x. 3 into 24 is 72. Now, let this X be over here, and this 6 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. And this 6 was multiplied with 6, so 6 was multiplied with X. So naturally, the moment I'm transposing 6 from left hand side to the right hand side, it will be divided. It will be 72 by 6. And 72, if I divide by 6, it will be 12. X is equal to 12. So I got my answer. Therefore, the number of computers needed for 24 children is equal to 12. So there are 12 computers needed for 24 number of children. Now let's talk about question number 3. The last question of this exercise. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and the population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometers square and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometers square. Question number 1 is, how many people are there per kilometer square in both the states? Very simple. How many people are there in per kilometer square in both the states? Acha. For Rajasthan, people live in 1 kilometer square is equal to, what we have to do? Population divided by area. Population is 570 lakhs divided by area is 3 lakh kilometers square. So if I divide the total population divided by total area, if I divide the total population by total area, I'll get how many people live in 1 kilometer square. So simply I'm dividing it. 3 ones are 3, 1, 2, 5, 3 nines are 27. 190 lakh people lives in 1 lakh kilometer square. I repeat, 190 people lives in 1 kilometer square area, because I have divided the total population, which was 570, and I have divided this total population by total area of Rajasthan. So I got 190 people live in 1 kilometer square area. Similarly, people live in 1 kilometer square in UP is equal to, the total population is 1660 lakh divided by total area is 2 lakh kilometer square. So let us divide it by 2. 8 2s are 16, 3 6, 300. 830 people live in 1 kilometer square area in UP. This is how we have to get an answer. Question number 2 is, which state is less populated? Of course, Rajasthan, because in Rajasthan, in 1 kilometer square of area, 190 people live, and in UP, in 1 kilometer square area, 830 people live. So naturally, Rajasthan is less populated. This is how we have to deal with this question. Now let's talk about exercise 8.2. See children, how to do this. The first question of exercise 8.2 is, convert the given fractional numbers into percent. Okay. We are given some fractions. The first one is 1 by 8. And we have to convert into percentage. Okay. Whenever we are given any fraction and we were asked to convert it into percentage, just simply children, what we have to do? Just write the fraction and multiply it by 100. It will be converted into percentage. So 4 2s are 8. 4 25s are 100. 25 by 2, matlab, if I divide 25 by 2, it will be 12 2s are 24. 1, 12 1 by 2%. It's 12 1 by 2%, or we could have converted into decimal. No matter. So if you keep your answer in mixed fractional form, that is also okay. Question number B is about 5 by 4. So this is given in fraction and we have to convert into percentage. So just simply we will multiply it by 100, bracket and percentage sign outside. Just multiply the fraction with 100, you will get your answer. 425 is 100, 525 is 125%. The next one is what? Let me show you number C. 3 by 40. So 3 by 40 into 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10. 15 by 2. So just do convert it into mixed fraction. 7 to the 14. 1, 7 mixed 1 by 2%. That's all. 7 whole 1 by 2. Now let's talk about next question. Question number 2. So this question number 2 is very interesting and very useful concept of mathematics. It's very useful because we have to deal with these things in higher classes as well. We are given a decimal 0.65 and we have to convert into percentage. Okay, very simple. Let me convert this decimal into fraction. Once I convert it into fraction, then I'll just simply multiply it by 100 and I'll get my answer. This is given in decimal. Once I convert it into fraction, I'll just simply multiply it by 100 and I'll get my answer. 0.65, remove this point and you were supposed to get 100. Because of this point you got 1 and after the point there was 2 digits, so you got 2 zeros. So the fraction is 65 by 100. Now how to convert this fraction into percentage? Just multiply it by 100. Don't get confused with this 100 and this 100. This 100 has come from the point and the decimals after the point and the digits after the point, and this 100 has come from the percentage. Now 100 got cancelled. Answer is 65%. Next one is very easy, number B. 2.1. So just remove this point. You are supposed to get 10. This is 21 by 10 now, and multiply it by 100. You will get your answer. 10 tens are 100. 210% is the answer. Let me show you number C. 0.02. Remove this point and you were supposed to get 100 as there were 2 digits after the point. So it's 2 by 100, and convert this fraction into percentage. Just do multiply with 100. 100 got cancelled. Answer is 2%. Well, this is how we have to deal with these questions, children. And question number D will be your practice work. In the next video, I'll explain about this question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 8.2. So children, please do watch this video carefully and try out the sums which I have explained. If there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to ask or drop your queries in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you everyone, and thank you so much.